Welcome! In front of me I have Garett Tina smart band, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this band by using the system settings. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on your smart band is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing to do, we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the touch button repeatedly to scroll through the menu like this and find the option called function. Once you find the function option, press and hold on the touch sensitive button to enter. Now scroll through the menu by tapping on the touch sensitive button, find the reset option. I already passed it, so we need to keep tapping, enter the function again, and then select the reset. And once you select the reset option, press and hold on the touch sensitive button to confirm. And after a couple of seconds, the resetting process should be complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.